There are now 2 lawsuits in play for Paul and Ruben Flores. Paul is also scheduled to appear in court this summer on a separate felony charge out of the Los Angeles County area. I spoke to both criminal and civil attorneys to find out what happens with this charge and the lawsuits as the local case moves forward. In 1997, the Smart family attorney filed a wrongful death lawsuit against Paul Flores. It resulted in this deposition.
I refuse to answer that question based on the Fifth Amendment of the United States Constitution.
And the 2007 dig of Susan Flores' East Branch Street home. Now, over the years, judges have stayed that lawsuit. On Thursday, Ruben Flores was hit with his own. That civil case moves forward with discovery until Ruben's attorney asks for a stay too.
It doesn't dismiss the case, it just puts it on hold until the criminal case is resolved.
Civil attorney Gordon BOSSERMAN says civil cases often take a backseat to criminal ones.
Where there's a possibility of a criminal case being brought, the person who's a witness can say, I decline to answer that on the grounds it might tend to incriminate me.
He used the O.J. Simpson trial as an example.
He was found to be not guilty, yet the civil case was able to proceed.
Paul Flores is also facing a charge of felony in possession of a firearm in Los Angeles County.
When you have a situation like this where you have dueling court cases in both venues, if you cannot get him on screen and actually personally appearing in front of the judge, you're gonna have a warrant of some kind in order for the court to retain jurisdiction.
Criminal attorney Scott Taylor says Zoom court appearances could give Paul a chance to waive his right to a speedy trial in that case.
If that coordination does occur for him and that some lawyer does get that authority to appear for him, that his case down in Los Angeles would just get continued until his case is resolved up here.
If Paul is convicted of murder and if Ruben is convicted of accessory, then the Smart family attorney James Murphy will ask a judge to lift the stay on the wrongful death lawsuit and continue with both civil cases. In San Luis Obispo, I'm Megan Healy, KSBY News.